I am the cave. Enter softly. My active formations hold the world's memories. Come rest in my cool breath and feel time slow. I remind you that so many things in life are yet to be discovered. Some caves have streams or rivers flowing through them, forming underground waterfalls and pools. Stalactites hang from cave ceilings, while stalagmites grow from the floor, often forming amazing formations over thousands of years. My silence will echo your deepest inner thoughts. I protect, conceal, and reveal all at once. I'm alive and home to pathways of depth and mystery. Let me teach you that even in darkness, there is so much life. Advice from a cave. Breathe deep. Find beauty in unexpected places. Search inward. See the whole picture. Good things take time. Look beneath the surface. Hang tight.